The Firefly Class was an early express engine built by the Great Western Railway, GWR, in country UK in 1840, marking a significant development in locomotive design and technology. Originating from the GWR's experimental workshops at Didcot, the class was designed to meet the growing demand for faster and more efficient transportation services across the country. Notable innovations of the Firefly class include its unique valve gear system, which enabled more efficient steam usage, and its lightweight construction using new materials such as wrought iron. The engine's performance was further enhanced by its advanced cylinder configuration, which provided improved power-to-weight ratio. The Firefly class played an important role in establishing GWR as a leading railway operator, particularly on routes connecting London to the West Country, including notable connections along the Bristol and Bath Road.